Diagnosis according to the Zhangfu organ patterns. Heart shui stagnation. Heart shui stagnation is characterized by cardiac pain and pain in the chest. Only this pattern and blocked heart vessels manifest with cardiac pain. Heart chi stagnation and phlegm stagnation will manifest with a tight and a heavy oppressed sensation in the chest, respectively. Heart shui stagnation can be a purely Shi pattern and a combined Shu and Shi pattern, depending on the underlying pathology. The etiology is heart shui stagnation can arise from the chronic heart imbalance patterns, especially Qi stagnation, cold, and phlegm. Shu patterns such as heart shui shu or heart yang shu can also be causes of heart shui stagnation. Symptoms and signs: piercing or stabbing chest pains or cardiac pain, tightness in the chest, palpitations, pain or tingling sensation on the left arm, cold hands, shortness of breath, matte and purple facial complexion. The face can be wide when there's acute pain, blue or purple lips, purple tongue, purple or swollen sides in the front third of the tongue, swollen purple sublingual veins, choppy or wiry pulse. The pulse can be knotted. Key symptoms are cardiac pain, chest pain, blue or purple lips. Treatment principle would be to invigorate the heart shui. Acupuncture points is to choose from heart 5, pericardium 4, pericardium 6, UB14, UB15, UB17, spleen 10, REN 17, and REN 14. The needling technique should be spreading or tonifying, depending on whether there is a Shu or a Shi condition. Moxa can be used. The explanation is heart 5, pericardium 4, pericardium 6, REN 14, bladder 14, and bladder 15 invigorate heart shui. Spleen 10 and UB17 invigorate shui. REN 17 invigorate qi and shui in the upper jaw. See the relevant advice in the sections dealing with the underlying patterns of the imbalance. Heart shui stagnation can be caused by the following patterns of imbalance: heart shui shu, heart yang shu, phlegm, heart qi stagnation, liver qi stagnation. Heart shui stagnation can result in the following pattern of imbalance: phlegm, heart blood stasis. The etiology is prolonged anxiety, poor diet. Underlying or accompanying pathology: heart yang deficiency, heart blood deficiency, phlegm obstruction. Possible presenting conditions: angina pectoris, coronary heart disease, myocardial infarction. The signs and symptoms would be dull pain and oppression in the chest anterior to heart, tiredness and fatigue, palpitations. Attacks characterized by gripping, stabbing, or pricking chest pain may radiate to the shoulder or down inner arm. There may be constriction of chest, green, blue, or purple cyanosis of lips and nails, cold lips. The pulse would be knotted, wiry, or choppy. The tongue would be purple. Treatment principle would be to rectify and quicken the blood and transform stasis. Calm Shen, warm, and supplement heart yang. Acupuncture treatments: P6, which regulates heart blood and opens the chest. P4, accumulation point, which stops heart pain. Bladder 14, which regulates heart blood. Bladder 17, with moxa, is the gathering point for blood. Bladder 15, which clears the heart, supplements heart chi. Needle with even method. There's also heart 17, supplements and pacifies the mind. REN 17, which regulates chi and blood. Spleen 10, which regulates the blood. Kidney 25, which moves chi and blood in chest. REN 14, which clears the heart. Again, needle with even method. Thank you for your attention.